Okay, so I've gone ahead and taken this filter off. Fortunately, it wasn't too much oil to drain off of it. So this is off. What we want to do now is there's a little bit of oil, especially since this oil filter sits kind of opposite to a lot of them, where if they're sitting down, a lot of that oil that's sitting in the connection will just drain off. But this one, it's got a little bit of oil in there, so just kind of clean it up a little bit, best you can. Doesn't have to be spick and span or anything. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and put the new filter on now. And one thing you have to do is a little gasket. You can see that this little rubber part. This is a gasket that fits onto the connection, and it helps prevent like leakage and stuff like that, oil coming out. And so what you want to do to keep this, because it can dry out if you don't get oil on it, what you want to do is put a little bit of the brand new oil on this gasket, and you do that just by taking new oil, just get a little bit on your finger, and then just kind of dab it around there. Make sure you get that lubricated. I also do the top, probably not necessary, but I do it anyway. So we got that lubricated, and we're going to go ahead and put this filter on in just a second.